the only incriminating evidence against me was what somebody else had said, because I'd never admitted being involved in any of it. Which the legal team then saw that as a chink in the armour in terms of putting a nail through their case, because if they can get me off, that's going to definitely dent their the prosecution case. So that obviously didn't go down well with some of my co-defendants, who were not pleased about that. I think they eventually saw value of what had happened, because I was released at half time. The judge had released me on no case, no answer, which meant that was seen as a big dent. And because the others had admitted on paper what they'd done, whereas I was the only one who said no. So then I was able to then support the campaign from outside. But yeah, I mean, that was quite stressful. And then of course the first day of the trial, there's a whole Leeds Crown Court surrounded by, Free the Bradford 12. You could hear the chanting inside the court. That was quite, put the hair up your chest. And then when the prosecution then ran out of the case, of course, and the defence had accepted that, yeah, we'd made the bombs and all this kind of stuff. The campaign then had switched to self-defence is no offence. So that was a very interesting time. And then probably read some of the stuff, but because I was released at half time, then I worked with Delochan's brother, Kuku. He lived with me for a while because he'd lost his job, lost his earnings. So that was quite intensive, because he put a lot of time. I keep forgetting the guy's name though. The Caribbean guy, Courtney Hayes, because Courtney was involved in the campaign from the beginning, and then there were differences that came up with, because there's a national committee set up, and Southwark contacts of Director Delochan all got involved. It became a national campaign, so a lot of it was beyond our control then. And locally, when I was released, I was working with Kuku in terms of getting some of the logistical stuff done. And then in the university, there were some guys who were prepared to help. I remember there was an African guy, and he managed to produce a lot of Bradford 12 t-shirts, red ones. So it's that kind of stuff that we did then, and the posters.